Having a dedicated workspace is crucial to a successful learning environment. This comfortable office nook is perfect to facilitate learning and relaxing. A sturdy desk with room for a computer or laptop also has space for books, writing, or other media. With plug-in charging on the top, you'll keep your devices ready for use. A desk lamp can help provide important task lighting and give warm coziness. Our matching bookcase provides plenty of storage and organization for books, folders, files, totes, as well as decorative items. When a break is needed or you just want to get comfy with a good book, our memory foam lounge bag hits the spot. Our fern green ottoman holds items out of sight, and with its reversible tray top, serves as a perfect place for that afternoon snack. A rug with fresh greens, blues, white, and yellow ties all the colors of the room together. As always, you can find all these fun items in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.